Um, Hello, everyone. My name is James. I'm the CEO of Printify. So, Printify is an on-demand marketplace that connects e-commerce store owners with on-demand manufacturers around the world, mainly in the US. It's a $20 billion market of on-demand printed merchandise that is growing 30% year over year because of two main factors. The first factor is that commerce is moving more and more online, and the second factor is that the technological development has enabled shift from the old school analog printing to digital on-demand printing. And it's not only t-shirts and mugs, it's also home decor, as well as all overprinted products and sports apparel. In our business model, in the current business model, on the left side, on the demand side, we have integrations with different e-commerce channels. And on the supply side, we have print-on-demand manufacturers who print products one at a time and dropship them directly to the end consumer. So today I will share our story from the moment that we launched our product until we pivoted and until we reached the scaling point. So we launched the app on Shopify App Store in September 2015. What was unique about the solution that we built was that we created a product generator that simplified the way how Shopify store owners could create custom designed products and easily sell them on their Shopify store. And with the initial business model, we pretended to be the real manufacturers. Even though we did not manufacture, we pretended to be manufacturing. In the first 3 months, we received a lot of growth, a lot of installs. We were nominated one of the best apps on Shopify, and we were doing tens of thousands of dollars in months in sales. And this was a point of high expectations that we were thinking that few more months and we will be doing hundreds of thousands of dollars and soon millions per month in sales. But that's not what happened. And other players also came out with similar solution. And at the same time, we experienced that one of our printing partners started to screw up quality. And since we were pretending to be the manufacturer, we had to take blame of the bad quality. So we realized that that's not a scalable business model. At the same time, we understood that this industry is booming and it's only in the very early phase. And there is no one marketplace where merchants could go compare different manufacturers, compare their prices, product offer, reviews, ratings, and choose what's best for them. So we decided to change our business model and build that marketplace. Very optimistically, we estimated that it will take us 4 months to build that platform. So we managed to raise angel investment to build that platform. 4 months later, we were nowhere near launching that platform. So we made new estimations and we expected that it will take us additional 4 months to build the marketplace. After 4 more months, we were again in the same situation and were nowhere near launching the platform. During this time, we were accepted into 500 Startups Accelerator program. So when we joined the 500 Startups Accelerator program, we didn't have product that we had promised that we will. So until the end of the year, we pretty much spent the whole year building the platform. So that means that the whole this period, we were running on the initial beta version with no new updates, no new features. We were at some point running out of money, which meant that we also had to fire some people. And that also, of course, created anxiety and depression. However, all of that paid off. We made the right decision. We launched the marketplace in January 2017. January, we did similar to the previous year sales number. And ever since then, we have been growing 32% month over month. Currently, and we are still currently we are profitable, and we are still seeing those sales numbers this year, those growth numbers. So currently, we have more than 50,000 connected stores. Our users generate more than 100,000 unique designs per month. And we have a team of 30 employees in Riga, Latvia, who are high professionals. And by end of the year, we are planning to double our team size. So the takeaways from our journey, getting to the scaling phase, number one, people are the most valuable asset that you have in your company. From the very early days, try to hire the best or try to join your team, the very best people that you can find, because those people bring significant knowledge and experience to the team. And also, those people help to provide proof of concept for the next hires, so hiring becomes easier as you go forward. Second takeaway is hire people that are goal-oriented. Do not hire perfectionists. Perfectionism takes a lot of time and costs a lot of money. As a startup, you don't have either a lot of money or time. And the final takeaway is persistence or grit, which means simply do not give up. Building a startup means that a high-growth company means that you will have a lot of anxiety and depression, sometimes because the things most of the time do not go the way you have planned them to go. There is this famous saying from LinkedIn founder that building a high-growth company is like jumping off the cliff and then building an airplane as you fall. And that's exactly how it feels. So to summarize my presentation, I would say try to get the right people with the right mindset who are persistent, and that will make a good fundament or basis for you to succeed. Or said differently, right people doing the right things and not giving up means that you will have much higher chances to succeed. At Printify, we believe that time is the most valuable asset. So we try to build tools that make print on demand for e-commerce as simple as possible. Our mission is to help entrepreneurs save time and make more money. And our long-term vision is to build the largest global on-demand, is to build a global marketplace for on-demand manufacturing. We are currently hiring those positions, so if you think that you are the right person with the right mindset, please shoot me an email or meet me anytime after the presentation and let's have a chat. Thank you very much.
Let's do it. Thank you. Now I have a box for questions. Who's first? And a 1. Questions, guys. Come on, don't be shy. There's a room full of people. Yes, 1, 2. Right, he was first, you're second. Now I believe that is, who's fundable, right? Oh, almost. Should work on my
Diamonds,
Hey.
wonderful. How did you deal with the depression part, with the anxiety? What's your recipe?
A lot of sleepless nights and just believing in what you do and seeing the end goal and that it can work out. And if you believe in it and you have people who support you and believe in what you believe, then you will succeed.
We have one more question. Sir, please introduce yourself to everybody.
Yeah, Toby.
Hey.
Who actually printed your T-shirt?
So we were working, this one. So that's one of our manufacturing partners from the US. So currently we have, I think, over 10 manufacturing partners in the US, 1 in Canada, 3 in UK, 1 in China, and we have a long list of partners that are looking to join. And so currently our main bottleneck is scaling the engineering team, and I'm very happy to say that a couple of days ago, an additional key engineer joined us to lead our expansion of our engineering team. So we will be expanding our engineering team to 20 people in the next few months, and we will bring a lot. That will help us to build out the marketplace, the functionality, and grow our business a lot more.
Alrighty, please. Thank you. Geez, I should exercise more. Now, do we have more questions? We have a little bit of time. We made time specifically because there's so many people. 1, 2. Right, I'll start with this, then you. Right, let's do it. Please introduce yourself, sir.
My name's Austin. Thank you, James. As a platform business, where are you putting your energy? Is it in which side of the platform, so to speak? Is it the e-commerce sites or is it the manufacturers? How do you manage that?
So it's always the chicken and egg problem. I would say that first you have to start with supply, because if you don't have supply, that would be like going to a shopping mall that doesn't have any shops. So you may need to make sure that the customers that visit do have stores. But then as you add more and more supply, you also have to scale the demand proportionally, because otherwise the supply, the new manufacturers that join and create value will see no point of joining your platform because there is not enough demand. So first start by scaling supply and then grow both sides proportionally.
Right, final one, I believe, unless there's one urgent question. Right, 2. You, and then you. Ready?
Okay, my name is Christian, and I have a question for you. What is the best thing, what motivates you to stand up in the next morning and continue to work on the startup if you cannot receive any money from today, but maybe after a year you will receive only money?
Well, for me, it's not so much about money. What really motivates me a lot is to create something significant that a lot of people will use, and that will make me proud and the rest of my team proud about what we have done, and to see that people are making thousands of dollars every month from using our tool, and that our platform saves them a lot of money. That's I think what makes me the most happy and makes me stand up every morning.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I am Farmon. My question is, what were the factors that caused your rapid growth in October 2017? I saw in your graph.
Yeah. So it's kind of you build and build and build, and at one moment you have built enough of functionality and features when your product starts to become really valuable, and that's when you kind of reach the inflection point or the hockey stick when you start to grow really fast. And so that's the answer.
You use kind of media or advertisement stuff?
So, well, I'm very happy that we recently were joined by a new head of marketing, Daniel Smarhills. So he is building out the marketing team, and we are using all types of different ways to reach our customers. That includes, so the number one acquisition channel for us is integrations with different sales channels like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce. Then we also do paid advertising, and we are starting content marketing.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, this man has been very good to us. Hand of applause. Thank you for answering all the questions, for being a good sport. Thank you, James. Thank you very much.